Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today, we're diving into something super handy: how to transfer your Google Play balance directly to your bank account in 2025. If you've got unused credits from gifts, refunds, or promotions, this guide will help you turn that balance into real cash. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're all set up. Open the Google Play app on your Android device or head to the Google Play website on your computer. Sign in with the Google account that holds your balance. Double check that it's the right one, as balances are account specific. Step 1. Navigate to your account settings. In the app, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner, then select Payments and Subscriptions or Account. The exact wording might vary slightly based on your region and the 2025 updates. On the website, go to the menu and find the same section. Here, you'll see your current Google Play balance displayed. Next, look for the option to manage your payment methods. Google has made some improvements in 2025, so you might find a new Redeem or Transfer Balance feature. Tap on that, and it should prompt you to link a bank account. If you haven't already, you'll need to add your bank details securely. Remember, Google uses encryption for your safety, so don't worry about sharing info. Once your bank is linked, select the amount you want to transfer. You can choose the full balance or a partial amount. Hit Transfer, and follow the on-screen prompts to verify your identity, maybe with a PIN or a quick email confirmation. Processing times can vary, but in 2025, it's usually instant or within 24 to 48 hours. One quick tip: not all balances are transferable. For example, if your credit came from a promotional offer, there might be restrictions. Always check the terms before proceeding to avoid any surprises. And if you run into issues, Google's Help Center has updated guides for 2025. There you have it. A straightforward way to get your money out of Google Play and into your bank. This feature is a game changer for managing your finances. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more 2025 tech hacks, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.